Love this. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. This video, it is to, anyway, you're even watching at the comfort of my kitchen. And here I'm massaging my feet. Yes, in warm water. So I felt like, let me share with you a video concerning how to earn money on social media. Is it true that there is money on social media? Yes. Is it true that there is money on Facebook, YouTube? There is money. Do I have proof? Yes, I have proof. I've enjoyed this money for good 5 years. However, it has its own hiccups, up and down. Give me one business that has no challenges. Give me one project that has no challenges. But remember this, making money, it is a passive income, depending on which niche that you take. Now, in today's video, together with me at the comfort of my kitchen, as I take my tea, I'm cooking dinner, I'm massaging my legs. I always tell you, you can make money at the comfort of your home. You can make, provided you have a smartphone, you can make money in the gym. Now me, I'm doing gymming in the kitchen. Yes. So I came across a video on one of the platform. One of my sisters was telling people that they should go to work because they have tended to make YouTube as if it can replace their 9 to 12-hour job. So my video is, do you think YouTube can replace, or any social media can replace your 9 to 12-hour job? I have two sides of the coin. Yes, it can. No, it can't. Before we dive into the two sides, allow me, what I was taught, allow me appreciate every individual that has been on these channels, especially for Immaculate Shows, the teaching channel. All my top engagers, you're so awesome. I love you so much because you've been with us for some time. And disclaimer, I'm not saying that if you follow us, you're going to get a lot of money. No, for us, we give you tips, and these tips, you use them to research around 2 to 10% of the tips. So now, can we dive in and see exactly this question or the advice that I got from someone's page platform telling YouTubers? There are some people that have taken YouTube now to be like their savior. Now, let me tell you something. Let's create together. This is the beauty of being. This is the beauty of being at home. Let's create together a stand. Now, you guys, I always recommend people. This is a friendly, by the way, video, and it is interactive. I always tell people, don't leave your job when you're starting social media. No. However much social media can pay, but you need to feed it. You need to pamper it, and you need to reach the right time when you're fully paid. And when I'm talking fully paid, if you can score $1,000 and above every month, not this month and next month, you're free to resign. So people who started some time back, or people who have ventured in it and they are getting enough money, they are. But when you're starting, you need to feed. You need maintenance. You also need to maintain these YouTube channels. You cannot start today and say that this is going to be my job 100%. You have to start from somewhere slowly. So social media cannot immediately replace your 9 to 12-hour job. No. Come to think about it. Which platform are you on? Let's talk about YouTube. For you to start earning money on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yes, you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. The moment you reach that stage of the threshold and you enter into the YP monetization group, That is not the final destination. The journey starts from there. Now you work towards getting money to withdraw. Now this is another point where I want us to concentrate on. Most people can reach the threshold. Others, in fact, they go ahead and even buy the necessities like the subscribers, the watch hours. People will do anything to get enough watch hours, but they will not do anything to get money to withdraw. So this comes to what we call RPM and CPM. So you cannot rush to leave your job to start YouTube when you have not even maintained, or you have not yet known how good is your LPM, how good is your CPM. I always say it's not about views. No, it's not about views. It's about the quality. It's about the competition. And most people who are now coming up are concentrated in high competitive niches. What do you expect? If you go to high competitive niches, meaning the money is going to be little. So you'll find someone is scoring $1 in 10,000 views. 10,000, 10 million has nothing. I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on Facebook, I've seen it, people on Facebook with millions of views and they cannot reach $100. So my sister, who really advised the social media person, she was right. On the other hand, if you know you're a go-getter like you, Facebook, YouTube can pay bills and can even make you grow wings, do any project that you want. You can get capital from there. But the foundation, the starting matters. You cannot start today, then you start every day. You're carrying the the stamps, and you start looking for people. That excitement is always there because we've been there. We know what it means. But trust me, you need to build this steadily. You need to build it with a focus. Being on social media doesn't mean that you will earn. There are most people who have been on social media for years, but they cannot show you their checkbook. They cannot show you their payslip. So this calls for you, when you're starting, at least find yourself, you have something that you're doing aside. We get it? So social media can replace your job, and at the same time, social media might not or will not replace your job. So guys, like this video, comment, and even forward it to someone who is starting today.